Kaya na yung mga iba, oh, naglabasan na yung mga bulaklak nila. Yan.
Wait, who did this?
Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng halaman to. Kung ano kaya ang bulaklak niya, anong kulay. Ganun. Ang ganda naman dito mga guys, oh. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan, ang dami nilang mga alagang, mga tupa. O kaya kambing, mga yan. Hindi ko ma-recognize kasi ma-blurred yung, yung paningin ko mga guys pag malayuan na.
That's kind of strange.
Yeah, it's like a cow. Or a sheep.
It's a llama.
It's a llama, yeah. Nandito
Wait,
kami
look
ulit
at
sa isang...
the covered in water. That looks so pretty.
Yeah, because yesterday it's raining, that's why.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's very beautiful, the view.
It feels like I'm just...
Naglalabasan na yung mga mga kaibigan, yung mga
So
dahon
let's go.
ng mga kahoy. Kasi magsa-summer na. Mas dito, mas madulas yung daan. Kaysa doon sa kabila na pinuntahan namin dati. Dito madulas ang daanan.
Mommy, the
Yes.
Hot Wheels is shaking.
The Hot Wheel is shaking.
So in the ground. You look at this. Oh,
Tuwang-tuwa na naman si
in the mud.
No, they are in the mud now, your Hot Wheels.
Yeah, they're all muddy, aren't they?
It's in the ground.
Oh, don't do them like that, man.
Oh, it's sticky. One thing is stuck. Oh,
Your
no.
diggers.
So I'm gonna make this one go here. I'm gonna make this a little deeper.
Yeah. Ay! Yan, nandito na kami sa my riverside. Hello. Eris, what are you doing? Erisa, are you hungry? Gutom na daw si Eris. Okay, we eat our snacks. Oh, it's very cold.
England, love.
Ayan, oh, pupunta sila doon. They are going that way?
Yeah, we're gonna go through that.
Oh, di basa na yung nila. Ay. It's very cold, the water. Ayan, oh, ganun pala. So their boat is waterproof?
Yeah.
Mm.
It's a dry suit you got on. It's like just like a big rubber suit. Dry suit. Those little sticks.
Ako ang lamig. Ako ang nilalamig sa kanila eh. Hugasan daw nila yung kanilang laruan. You are washing your car, Stewart? Sarap ng... Whoa. Look at them. Yan mga guys, parang ulan na. It's like it's gonna rain. It's not gonna rain daw.
It's like the weather is like this 300 days a year in England now.
Hello! Sakit sa ilong, yung lamig. Pagkakape nga ako guys, may dala akong kape. Nagdala ako ng cappuccino. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Lalong-lalo na yung mga kamag-anak ko dyan sa ibang bansa na nagpapakahirap para sa pamilya, para may ipadala doon sa mga pamilya nila doon sa Pilipinas. Kaya mag-ingat-ingat po, bawal ang magkasakit. Ayan mga guys, magkape muna tayo. Guys, kain tayo ng pansit. ako ng pansit kasi hindi ako nag-breakfast kanina. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng kalamansi. You don't like pansit? Ayan guys, kain na tayo.
I like shrimp.
Ano yan? Vandalism. Ayan, nandito na kami mga guys sa isang farm. Ay. Oh, may mga ano na dito oh. Ito na yung nakita namin ni Iris kanina doon sa taas. Nandun kami dyan sa taas. Yan, magha-hiking daw kami. Magha-hiking kami.
You don't want to do it. Is it too scary for you?
Macy?
Is it too scary for you?
Yeah.
You want to go back?
Yeah.
Come on, we'll go back then.
Why?
Because I think it's scary because it's slip. Come on then, we'll go back.
We go that way. Oh, ayan oh, may mga kambing.
Oh, look at the sheep.
Mga tupa. May mga tupa. Where we going? We are going there. Next to that one. To the bridge that we are going to see the duckies. Anin ko nga ito. Hindi, nag-straight pa eh. Aray. Pagsarokod ko. Ayan o. Hindi ka naman kasi mapagod, maano ka lang, yung parang alam mo yung tawag dito, yung lalamunan mo. Matutuyuan ka ng ano, lalamunan. Are you sure you are going to go up there?
Gonna try going there, come on then.
May kaludus-dus ka.
Let's slide.
You slide, Stewart.
I used to want me to put this in the bag for you.